Hello there, my name is Sarah Valentine and I'm an accent and dialect coach based in New Zealand. And I've been asked by one of my subscribers on my channel to read out a little piece of what is it called? I don't even know what it's called. It's called Karma Gets a Cure, and she's basically asked if I would read it out in this Devonshire accent for her because she liked my Devonshire accent from another video. And the beauty about this little piece is apparently it covers off, so it says here, the text is standard dialect text written to contain all the main vowel sounds in the English language. So hopefully this will be very useful to any of you aspiring actors who are wanting to get a Devonshire accent. So I've not read it before. I probably should have read it before I started, but I just thought, no, I'm just going to wing it. I'm just going to get in there and read it out. So, Karma Gets a Cure. Well, here's a story for you. Sarah Perry was a veterinary nurse who had been working daily at an old zoo in a deserted district of the territory. She's not wrong. There's a few little vodes and bits in there, isn't there? So she was very happy to start a new job at a superb private practice in North Square near the Duke Street Tower. That area was much nearer for her and more to her liking. This is not easy. Even so, on her first morning, she felt stressed. She ate a bowl of porridge, checked herself in the mirror, and washed her face in a hurry. Then she put on her plain yellow dress and a fleece jacket, picked up her kit, and headed for work. This is not easy. When she got there was a woman with a goose waiting for her. The woman gave Sarah an official letter from the vet. The letter implied that the animal could be suffering from a rare form of foot and mouth disease, which was surprising because normally you would only expect to see it in a dog or a goat. Sarah was sentimental, so she made her feel sorry. So this made her feel sorry for the beautiful bird. Before long, that itchy goose began to strut around the office like a lunatic, which made an unsanitary mess. The goose's owner, Mary Harrison, kept calling, Comma, Comma, which Sarah thought was an odd choice for a name. Comma was strong and huge, so it would take some force to trap her. But Sarah had a different idea. First, she tried gently stroking the goose's lower back with her palm, then singing a tune to her. Finally, she administered ether. Her efforts were not futile. In no time, the goose began to tire, so Sarah was able to hold on to Comma and give her a relaxing bath. Once Sarah had managed to bathe the goose, she wiped her off with a cloth and laid her on her right side. Then Sarah confirmed the vet's diagnosis. Almost immediately, she remembered an effective treatment that required her to measure out a lot of medicine. Sarah warned that this course of treatment might be expensive, either 5 or 6 times the cost of penicillin. I can't imagine paying so much, but Mrs. Harrison, a millionaire lawyer, thought that it was a fair price for a cure. Well, I have to say that I might actually use that little piece of script there for other accents that I do, because you're right, it's a bit of a tongue twister. Like, my face is actually hurting because I've just done a little bit of a workout, innit? So it says here, Comma Gets a Cure and derivative works may be used freely for any purpose without special permission, provided the present sentence and the following copyright notification accompany the passage in print. I can do that. I'll pop that in the bottom of my video somewhere. If reproduced in print and in audio format, that'll be this. In the case of a sound recording, copyright 2000, Douglas N. Honoraff, Jill McCulloch and Barbara Somerville. All rights reserved. All right, those people, I'm going to make sure that that's in there for you. And if you'd like me to do a video for you, just flick us an email to my Accent Coach website. You can find it at www, that's a bit hard to do, isn't it? actorsaccentcoach.com. And I'm on Instagram and I'm also on Facebook. I'm everywhere. And if you like my video, it'd be fabulous if you could give us a little bit of a like, comment, like tell me where you're from, tell us if you'd like a video, and click that subscribe button because I do upload videos when I'm not coaching. Like today, I got like 5 minutes. So I thought, bugger it, I'm just going to do a video. Right. Oh, by the way, obviously because I'm doing this Devonshire accent, I got a bit of a character happening with that. I am normally. All right, my darlings, you have a fabulous day. I'll catch you next time. See ya.